How was the innovative engineering of Ottoman mosque domes achieved? Imagine standing inside a grand mosque with a vast open space and no supporting columns blocking your view. How did Ottoman architects make this possible? The secret lies in their clever engineering of the domes. They used a mix of advanced techniques and smart design choices that allowed these massive structures to stand tall and look stunning. One key method was the use of pendentives. These are triangular sections that help transfer the weight of a round dome onto a square or rectangular base. Think of pendentives as the bridge between the round shape of the dome and the flat walls below. Sinan, the famous architect, perfected this technique. He also created what is called an octagonal baldaquin, where the dome rests on an 8-sided drum supported by 8 sturdy pillars or buttresses. This setup evenly spread the weight and kept the interior spacious and free of supporting columns. To make sure the structure stayed stable, Ottoman builders hid buttresses inside the thick walls. This way, they could add many windows to flood the interior with light without weakening the structure. The walls could be pierced with windows because the hidden supports carried the weight of the dome. Building on unstable ground was a challenge in Southeast Europe. Ottoman engineers used wooden piles driven deep into the soil to reach solid layers beneath. These piles were tightly packed and connected with oak wooden grids, creating a strong foundation for the heavy domed roofs. This technique kept the mosque safe and steady even on softer ground. The Ottomans also paid close attention to stone cutting. They carefully measured and fitted stones of different sizes to ensure tight joints and maximum strength. They used durable materials like green dacitic tuff and porphyry, combined with lime-based mortars, to build the domes and supporting walls. Metal tie rods were another important innovation. These rods helped counteract the outward force of the domes, preventing the walls from buckling or collapsing. Over time, these reinforcement methods allowed the construction of larger and more impressive domes. Architects like Sinan experimented with proportions and support systems. His designs balanced beauty and strength, creating domes that are as large as those of the famous Hagia Sophia but with an interior that feels open and unblocked. In Southeast Europe, many Ottoman mosques still stand as landmarks. Their domes are admired not just for their beauty but also for the engineering mastery that made such grand structures possible. These innovations combined local building traditions with Ottoman knowledge, creating landmarks that symbolize both faith and technological skill.